Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of underlining text in Discord using a simple text generator. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let's dive in. To underline text in Discord, start by opening your mobile browser and searching for an online text underline generator. Choose one of the top results that allow you to easily format your text. Once the page loads, enter the message you want to underline in the text field provided by the generator. After typing your message, scroll down to see the underlined version of your text. When you're satisfied with the result, tap and hold the generated underlined text and select Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Now open the Discord app on your phone and select the chat where you want to send the underlined message. Tap on the message input field and paste the underlined text that you copied from the generator. Once you've pasted the text, simply hit the send button to deliver your underlined message in the chat. And there you have it. You've successfully underlined text in Discord. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.